Hi, welcome to the first episode of Presto Chat. Today we will be having Mr. Anurag Poddar here for the Presto Chat. Well, Presto Chat will be a short conversation wherein we will discuss various type of solutions that Presto provides to the customer. I am Ananya and I am in conversation with Anurag Poddar.
Thank you and hello everyone.
So Anurag, please explain me, what do you do in Presto exactly?
Ananya, I pretty much started this organization 25 years back, and besides general management, my responsibility would be development of new solutions to the problems that our customers have, and through our products we keep finding solutions for our customers and their problems. So that is my main role in the company.
Well, talking about problems, I remember recently I went on a vacation with my family to Kashmir and we clicked a lot of pictures in that, some were in phones, some were in DSLR, a lot of them. But now when I look back, I really wonder what are going to happen to these photographs in the years to come.
Well, Ananya, you have touched upon a real issue we Indians face. We make so many memories as we go along, and we get married, we have kids, we go on vacations. There are other life moments, there are corporate events, there are so many occasions, but we take photographs and then forget about it. The only time we make photo albums would be when we get married, but all the other memories that we collect down the years, they remain in the digital space, and let me assure you, one day all those digital memories are going to be lost in the digital dustbin. So the list really is endless. The memories you collect, vacations, kids growing up, corporate events, so many life moments are there which you would want to preserve. The list is really endless.
Yeah, I do agree. So that is indeed a problem. Do you have a solution for that?
Oh, well, we do. Presto's personalized photo books are the solution for that. These photo books are made with the photographs that you provide us. As you can see, there are two sizes, A4, A3, and they are hardbound. Premium quality, international standard printing. There are 40 inside pages, pure bliss. They have your photographs, designs, motifs to suit the theme of the photo book, then some text to go with it, and overall 40 pages. So you can decide the sequence in which the photographs are going to be printed. And as I mentioned, A3 and O4 size. So this is A3 size, the larger one. This too comes with the designs and motifs. One photo book is good for maybe 150 photographs. So that really is your best bet to make sure that your digital memories are not lost in the digital dustbin.
That sounds like a lifesaver, but where can I order these?
Well, you have a Presto store near you, I guess, or you would have a Presto store near you. You just need to walk into any of our stores with your photographs. One photo book typically takes around 120 to 160 photographs, and you can explain the sequence to the designer over there. Which photographs would you want on the cover, or which photographs you would want on the back cover, and the sequence of it. And it takes maybe a couple of days to design the photo book at our end, and we print it only once you approve. So once your approval is received, we would need another maybe 3 days to complete the job. So all in all, it's a cycle of around 5 days, and so any Presto store would be able to do the job for you.
And what if we don't have any store near us?
Prestogifts.com, that is your address. We pretty much take orders from across the world and we deliver across the world. So all you need to do is log into prestogifts.com, and you can search for Photobooks in the search panel, and it would get you to the relevant page. And if you face any kind of difficulty, then there is a chat option, and we pretty much have chat executives, live chat executives. They are not bots, who would chat with you around the clock, and they would guide you to your purchase. And you can send your photographs to us. We design the photo book and send to you for approval, and only once you approve, then only it is sent for print, and once printed it would be sent by express shipping to you. So the whole cycle would take another 5 days. So that is how you can get your photo book pretty much no matter where you are in the world, whether a Presto store is near you or not. Prestogifts.com is the place to go.
Well, that was an interesting learning coming from you. Complex problems do have simple solutions.
They absolutely do, and I would take it as a compliment from the entire team at Presto that we have been able to solve another problem our customers had. So it's our pleasure.
Well, thank you, Mr. Anurag, for being with us. We look forward to have you guys back again very soon with us for another episode of Presto Chat. Thank you.
Bye-bye.